Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of booking and reservation system for Shopware 6. Now this particular plugin allows you to convert your online Shopware store to an event-driven site like appointments, movie booking system, etc. The plugin provides two types of bookings for any product that are one booking for many days and many bookings in one day. On the other hand, the customers can just click on the booking product and select the available day for the appointment or reservation, then choose from the available time slots to place the order and confirm the booking there. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out the procedure for the booking type, that is many bookings in a day, wherein we'll be checking out the bicycle booking product type, and we'll see how we can select multiple booking slots in a day and how we can reserve the same for the booking there. On the customers end, we'll see how the customers would be able to view the booking product, how they can place the order for the booking product, how they can reschedule a booking, and how they can cancel the booking. On the admin's end, we'll see how the admin would be able to view the booking orders for the many bookings in a day, how the admin would be able to add booking type to product, that is the many bookings in a day, how the admin can approve the cancellation and the reschedule requests from the customers there as well. So all in all, this particular plugin allows the admin to set up the slot-based quantity major. The admin can reschedule the bookings from the back end. The admin can cancel the bookings from their end. Once cancelling has been done for a particular booking, the slot will become available again. The admin can enable or disable the sending of the booking and cancel mail to the customers. Customers can see the booking details of the product in the cart as well. Admin and the customers can check the reschedule history of the booking product. Admin can edit and update or delete the booking slots for any booking types. Option for the customers to download their bookings in PDF format. Customers can cancel the bookings under their own account panel and can reschedule their bookings as well. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that to make a booking for this bicycle booking product, that's of the booking type of many bookings in a day. We need to log in to make a booking there. So what I'll do is, first of all, I'll be logging into my customer account panel by tapping on the login button there, and then I'll be logging into the customer account there. So I'll enter the email address, password, and I'll tap here on the login button thereafter. Now after I've successfully logged into the customer account there, then I can navigate back to the particular booking and reservation product. That's the bicycle booking product. So here's the bicycle booking product, so I'll tap on that. Now we'll be able to see the book now option here for the bicycle booking. So we can basically book multiple slots in a day. That's why it's called as many bookings in a day. In the case of one booking for many days, a booking can be made for many days, starting from, for example, Monday till Saturday, or from Tuesday till Sunday, etc., as we have already shown you in the previous video. So here I'll tap on the book now button, and this will bring up the available days of the month there on which the particular booking is available. So for example, for the 15th of the month here, we are having multiple slots, as you can see, for the day there with the different timings as well, right? And for each of these slots we have different available quantities as well. As you can see, we have set 501 as the default quantity for each of these slots there. Now for example, I want to purchase multiple slots. What I can do is I can select this option up, and I can select the option for this particular slot, how many quantity I want. For example, for this other one, I'll select 2 quantities. For this one, I'll select 2 quantities, and then we'll be tapping here on the add to cart button. Now after tapping on the add to cart button, the particular slots would be added into the cart there, and here you can see that the cart is having the particular slots added. So we're having around 6 slots, and here you can see that unit price for each quantity that we have selected is 400. For 2 quantity it's 800, so altogether it comes to 2400 euros there. Here you can also see the booking from and till values. So it's on the 15th, and the slot timings are there as well: 11:40 to 12:10, 12:44 to 13:14, and 13:48 to 14:18 as well. Now after that, the customer will tap here on the proceed to checkout button, select the terms and conditions and choose the payment method, and can view the details here as well at the checkout page for the booking from and till values and the slot start and the end time, slot end start and the end time, start and the end time, the quantities that we have selected, the price per unit there for each of the quantities, and the subtotal for each of the slots there, that comes to 2400 euros there. Thereafter, the customer will tap here on the submit order button to place the order. After placing the order, the customer will find one option here, that's the my booking history. So he has to go to the my booking history. This particular option comes after you have successfully installed the booking and reservation system for Shopware. And here's the order number 10036 that we have just placed. The number of booking slots we have selected are 3. The payment status is open, the total is 2400, and from here we can view the complete details of the particular booking that we have made. So here you can see that you can cancel the booking within 15 days. Reschedule request will automatically cancel within 10 days when the admin has not approved. Now this thing that you can see here, the cancellation of the booking within 15 days can be set up from the configuration settings of the plugin itself, as we have already shown you in the previous video. And here we are having the booking history. Here's the order number, the date added, the address there, and 3 different bookings that we have made. You can see for 3 different slots we have selected here. For the 15th itself, we have selected 3 different slots starting from 13:48, 12:44 and 11:40, and the quantity of each is 2 there. So that's why the unit price is 400 and the total is 800 there. Now the customers can cancel the booking, reschedule the booking, and check the rescheduling history as well. So for now, if I tap on the rescheduling history, there will be no history because we have not rescheduled any of the bookings there. And after we have rescheduled a particular booking, after that the admin needs to approve that particular reschedule there. After the approval by the admin, only then the rescheduling history would be visible here, and the particular time slots would be changed there. So for example, if we let's see how the customer would be able to reschedule a particular booking. So here we are having a slot between 13:48 to 14:18 hours. So to reschedule it, I can tap here on the reschedule button. This will bring up this particular section for the bicycle booking itself. For the 15th, I can go with any of the days as well. For example, let's go with the 17th, and here I'll select from 2 to 3 2:30 there. I'll select this up and I can tap here on the reschedule button. Now the thing is that you can see that please add similar quantity similar to the added in order quantity is 2. So here we have to also select the 2 order quantity that we have selected. So I'll select 2, I'll check this up, I'll tap here on the reschedule, I'll tap OK on the prompt there, and the particular reschedule would be done. You have modified booking order data, and after admin approval it will be changed. So now if I scroll down here, you can see the slot is still showing as for 15th it's showing as 1300 hours to 1400 hours here. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let's log into the Shopware 6 backend panel by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, what we need to do is we need to navigate through settings, extensions, and here what we need to do is we need to go to many bookings in one day, because the booking product that we were checking out is many bookings in one day. All of the booking products that or the product that you have created as booking products with many bookings in one day booking type would be listed under the many bookings in one day, and the ones having the booking type as one booking for many days would be listed under the one booking for many days. So we'll go to the many bookings in one day, and here we'll select the particular product. Here we were checking out the bicycle booking for, let's check the different orders or the different bookings that have been made for this particular booking product type by tapping on the view booking. So here we'll see the particular order number 10036, and here you can see the reschedule has been set up. The initial was for 15th between 1300 hours, 15th till 1400 hours. Now the new booking is for the 17th from 2 hours to 2:30 hours on the 17th itself. Now to make what we say as and the quantity is 2, as you can see here. So to approve this up, we can tap here on the approve change slot. Approve change slot. The slot change would be successful there. Now if I go back and I refresh this particular page on the customers end, here we can see that the date has changed from 15th to 17th, and the slot timing has changed from 200 hours to 230 hours as well. So that's how we can do a rescheduling. Now if I tap on the reschedule history, I'll be able to see the previous booking schedule that I had made on the 15th there, between 1300 hours to 1400 hours, and the approval date for the reschedule is 15th of the month there, 2022 itself. Now let's see how the customers can cancel a particular booking. So if I want to cancel this particular slot here that I had booked, I'll tap here on the cancel booking, tap on the OK. If I scroll down, the cancel is pending. Now on the back end, the admin needs to navigate through settings, extensions, booking cancel requests. Here we'll find the particular order number 10036. Customer name, product name, booking from and to values, the quantity, and here you can see the slot is between 2 hours to 2:30 hours, and the date is 17th of the month, and from here I can tap and I'll choose approve, cancel booking. The particular booking would be cancelled. Now if I go to the customers end, I refresh the particular page here, we'll be able to see cancel option here for the particular first booking slot that we had booked here, and the particular button is also disabled now, that's for the cancelled one. So this was the workflow on the customers end, how the customers would be able to view the booking product, how they can place the orders for the booking product, how they can reschedule a booking, how they can cancel a particular booking. Now let's see, we also saw how the admin would be able to view the booking orders for the many bookings in one day. Now let's see, and we also saw how the admin would be able to approve the reschedule and the cancellation there. Now let's see how the admin would be able to add the booking type, that's the many bookings in one day, to the particular product there. For that, let's go back to the admin backend panel and let's navigate through settings, extensions, and here we'll go to add edit booking product. Now the thing is that you already need to create a booking product first. So for example, we had created this bicycle booking product, the bicycle booking product that we had created. So what you need to do is you need to first create the bicycle booking product there, then from the drop down you need to select this up. So what I'll do is I'll just enter the name of the product here, or I can search the product as well. So for example, I've already added the booking to this particular product, so you can choose bicycle booking. Then you have to select the booking type as many bookings in one day from the drop down. Then you have to select the start date, end date of the booking, set the status as enabled, choose the booking time slot, duration, the break time between the two slots there, and then you can add, as per your own requirement, you can add your start time, end time as well for the different days of the week there, and you can also keep any of the slots as open or closed as per your own requirement. So here you can see that we have the Sunday start time, Sunday end time, Monday start time, Monday end time. Similarly, Tuesday for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, we have set up the start time of the slots and the end time of the slots. And here we have given the booking time slots. So according to the time span that we've given here for the start and the end time, and according to the booking time slot time, the different slots would be created and would be visible there for the customers to choose. As you can see here, here we have each of the slots are for 30 minutes, and the quantity is 501 available quantity for the same there. Now the quantity is taken up from when you're creating the particular booking product. At that time, when you're normally creating the product, at that time you have to give the quantity of the booking product. The same quantity would be used for the available slot there. or the available ones for each of the slots there. Then what you need to do is you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings, and that's how you can easily add a product and select the booking time for that product. Choose the start date, end date of the one, set the status as enabled, choose the booking time slot for the same, and enter the break time slot for the same, and then choose the start time and the last time for each day of the week as per your own requirement. You can also make any of the days as open or close as well. If you made it as closed, then Sunday would not be available as slots for the Sunday day, day of the week would not be available there for the customers to choose. So yes, that was much about the basically the booking and reservation system for Shopware, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular plugin allows you to convert your online Shopware store to an event-driven site like appointments, movie booking system, etc. And how this particular plugin provides two types of bookings for any product. That's the one booking for many days and many bookings in a one day. You might also have understood that how the customers can just click on the booking product and select the available day for the appointment or reservation, then choose from the available time slots to place the order and confirm the booking thereafter. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.